Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how you can change the default cell of Kali Linux. So let's start it. First of all, I'll open the terminal. First of all, we need to know currently which cell we are using. For that, we can take help of the environment variable cell. So cell is an environment variable which contains the path of the currently used cell. So let's see it using the command echo then $, then the name of the environment variable cell. As you can see, it is printing the path of the current cell, which is /bin/sh. That means we are currently using the sh cell. To change our current cell into any other cell, we need to know the path of the cell we want to change. So we can know this using the command cat /etc /etc/cells. So this command will list the path of all the cells available in our Linux. For example, we want to change our current cell to bash cell. So the path of the cell is /bin/bash. So let's change our cell using command chsh. Hit enter. It will ask for your system password. Enter the password. Here we can enter the path of our new cell we want to assign. In my case, bash cell. I'll give it path /bin/bash. So after that, you need to restart your Linux. Close the terminal, click here and click on restart. After you successfully restarted your Linux machine, the default shell will change from sh to bash. So I successfully restarted my machine, and now let's check the terminal if our default shell is changed or not. I'll open the terminal and we'll run command echo then $cell. As you can see, our cell is changed to bash cell successfully. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then like it, share it with others and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more content like this, then let me know in the comment section.